Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start your vehicle with a dead key fob. In this case a Subaru. We are working on 2022 Forester, but this is relevant for all Subaru models with key fob, many other makes and models. Very simple, you don't have to call a locksmith to spend hundreds of dollars on replacement key fob. Simply, and this is what I did to show you that the battery, I took actually the battery out, okay? So there is no battery. All you have to do, you see here the chip inside. So you take the key fob, press it against the push to start, and you start the vehicle. What happens now? The chip here recognizes the computer, and the computer recognizes the chip, and he knows that it's all good and it's authorized to start the vehicle. Okay, now this is relevant for all Subaru models. Okay. And for different makes, different models, you can find a slot to put the key fob, sometimes in the cup holder, sometimes you can find it inside the glove compartment. For example, Dodge, Jeep, if I'm not mistaken, Ford, the F-150 Explorer, you can see it in the cup holder. But most of the makes and models, you just simply put the key fob next to the push to start and you start the vehicle. Please like this video, let us know what you think. Thank you.